Biodiesel refers to a vegetable oil or animal fat-based diesel fuel consisting of long-chain alkali esters. Biodiesel is made for a chemical process called transesterification, whereby the glycerin is separated from the fat or vegetable oil. In the complete process of the production of biodiesel, it is very important to identify the risky situations that can be given in the pollution points to avoid negative results and decrease the environmental impact.
We're going to talk about the chemical process of biodiesel. Biodiesel, it's a substance that it is used to not polluting the environment, and it's a green carbureted, and we're going to talk about how does it produces, how it pollutes, and stuff like this. So, first of all, I wanted to explain that the fatty oil acid change that we got over here. We have a glycerin that we attached to three different acid chains, which are the linoleic, stearic, and oleic, and the palmitic also. So we need this molecule to react with the methanol. And here we got the methanol. This is the methyl. So based on this, we need a catalyst, which will be the hydroxide sodium. So this reaction is called a transesterification, because in which the ester, which we got over here, will be transesterificated and will be attached to the methyl in order to create biodiesel. You see, these are the components that we get: the acid chain with the methyl over here, and then we got glycerin. This pure glycerin. So in the process, we started by mixing alcohol and a catalyst. First of all, we need to make this about a temperature of 160 Fahrenheit. Maybe it can be seen from over there that we need it to be above the boiling point of the alcohol. Then we need to once we get the products, we need to separate them. We need to separate the glycerin from the biodiesel, which also has too much methanol, because not all the methanol goes into the reaction. So then, once we get separated, the methanol can be reused again in a part of the process to be used at the beginning. That's recycling the methanol. So that's one of the points that may be cause polluting. So the best option is to recycle. Then we have the alcohol removal. That's what I was talking about. We remove the methanol from the glycerin and from the biodiesel. Then we have the glycerin neutralization. The glycerin neutralization is made because we need to purify it. It's neutralized with an acid, and sometimes it is sold as a crude glycerin, and sometimes it is distilled, purified about 99%, and sold to the pharmaceutics and cosmetics and the cosmetic industry. And then at the end we have the methyl ester wash, in which we need to wash our biodiesel. This is the methyl ester. You see, we have the methyls over here, and this is the esters. So that's the explanation of a biodiesel. Biodiesel also has its problems, because it may be green, it doesn't create carbon dioxide when we use it on cars as a gas, but it doesn't have the whole energy that petrol fuels has. That's why it's so difficult to be on the industry, and it needs to be done a whole process of investigations and lots of things like that. So thanks you for hearing, and that will be all.